Are you looking for more info about the best HVAC price in Portland? Want to know more about emergency HVAC in Portland? You are in the right place when it comes to cheap HVAC in Portland and the best HVAC work in Portland. When your air conditioner or furnace breaks, you need a trustworthy, licensed, and expert HVAC contractor at your side. Best HVAC Experts in Portland is a team of highly trained and courteous technicians. We can service and repair all brands, makes and models of furnaces, heating systems, and cooling systems. Emergency HVAC in Portland can get your heat or air conditioning back online 24/7. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, quiet operation, humidity control, or some combination thereof, our experienced professionals will make recommendations custom fit to exactly what you're looking for. Our suite of products has something for every homeowner. From emergency service to regularly scheduled maintenance to system replacement and everything in between, our team has the experience, expertise, and product catalog to fit nearly every need. Contact us now.